QSK 055, call over. QSK unit 055. 14 Echo Delta 055, call over. One four Echo Delta 55, call over.
14 Echo Delta 055. I repeat, 14 Echo Delta 055. This is Scandinavian 21 November Sierra 59 from North Sweden. Over.
Yes, okay, my dear friend. So I'm really happy to catch you in a very strong condition, sir. Very strong report at this moment. So 73 is 51. Good afternoon, sir. 29 November Sierra 059. On this side it's 14 Echo Delta 055, and my personal name is Mike. Mike India Charlie Kilo Echo. Mike is my name, and your report it's 20/30/9. Very strong, sir. Back to you. 059-055. Listen, over.
Okay, 14 Echo Delta 055. The name on your side is Mike. My name is Chris. I spelled it to you. Kilo Romeo India Sierra. I repeat again. Kilo Romeo India Sierra. My name is Chris. And the call sign is 21 November Sierra 59. I repeat, 21 November Sierra 59. I am in North Sweden, Mike, about 700 kilometers north from Stockholm. I repeat, 700 kilometers north from the capital, Stockholm, in North Sweden. You have good signal on my side, 20 and 40 dB over 9, so very good propagation between us, Mike. Over.
Yes, okay, Chris. QSL in 100%. 21 November Sierra 59. 14 Echo Delta 55 returning. Thanks for my report. Same report for you, sir. 20/30 over. Very strong. The propagation is open for us. Thanks also for the QTH information about 700 kilometers north of capital. On this side, I'm located in 80 kilometers north of Paris. I repeat, the QTH is 80 kilometers north of capital city. And I give you what is my working condition at this moment. I work with Yaesu Fox Tango 950. The microphone is original. The antenna is a Skyper antenna beaming in the north, and about the power is output at the transceiver about 100 watts. There is the working condition on this side, Chris. And about the propagation, it's a very good propagation with Scandinavia area at this moment. I have made a contact 5 minutes ago with 56 Papa Juliet 004 Oli, with always a strong report, 30 over also. So it's very nice propagation again today. About the weather on my side, it's cloudy, and the temperature is about 7 degrees Celsius. There is some information of myself. Back to you, Chris. 21 November Sierra 59, 14 Echo Delta 55. Listen, over.
Okay, thank you very much for this information, Mike. Yes, I can give you a little weather report from North Sweden. We have very nice weather. We have blue sky, and the sun is shining. The temperature is 10 below zero. I repeat, 10 below zero, 10 minus. And the snow is about 75 centimeters snow on the ground. Very nice and beautiful winter weather in North Sweden. The working condition I have on this side, Mike, my transceiver is Alenco. I repeat, my transceiver is Alenco. It's 1 year old, and the Alenco Delta X-ray separation 8, and the power is about 100 whiskey out. And the microphone is a desk microphone to the Alenco too. And the antenna I have on the side is a 4 elements horizontal Yagi, about 25 meters over the ground. Okay, Mike, this is my working condition. Over.
Yes, okay, Chris. 21 November Sierra 5914 Echo Delta 55 returning. Congratulations for your working condition, sir. It's a beautiful station. Hi. And thanks also for the weather information on your side with the beautiful winter with the snow. So thanks for you very much for all information, sir. If you want more information of myself and if you have internet connection, you write my call sign on internet research. I've got a personal website. So you write 14AD055 on internet research and you could go on my website. Also, at this moment I keep video recording of this QSO and put it on my website very soon, sir. So if you want to watch it, it's very easy. You write my call sign on internet research, you go on my website and you go on video, and you could see the video recording that I keep at this moment. So you could watch your very strong signal and hear your voice, sir. Okay, it's a little gift for you if you are interested and if you have got internet connection. Back to you, Chris. 21 November Sierra 059 14 EQ Delta 055, over.
Okay, Mike. I have negative internet on this side because I live in the bush. I live in the little village, only 3 houses, and I have 1 kilometer to the neighbors. But I have no internet. But my daughter live in the city. My daughter live in the big city, and she have internet. But I have no internet on this side. I don't know, but I can tell about the name of the city. The name the big city on this side is Umeå. I spell it for you. Uniform Mike Echo Alpha. I repeat, Uniform Mike Echo Alpha. Umeå is the city, but I don't live in this city. I live about 45 kilometers north from the Umeå. And I have negative internet, but I can go to my daughter and see on the internet. Over, Mike.
Okay, Chris, don't worry. I understand all that you say. So don't worry about it. I understand all, and you could see it when you go on your doctor house. Okay, no problem at all in Umeå city. I understand all, my dear friend. Don't worry. So you must write my call sign 14AD055 on internet research. It's not a problem. Or on YouTube. The title is your call sign with mine. Okay, I write your call sign with mine call sign in the title on YouTube. So it's very easy to find it. No problem at all. Well, Chris, I am really happy to hear your station today, and I hope to catch you again on 11 meters. For now, I tell you this frequency free to make a contact with another station maybe. So all the best. 7351 for you and your family, sir. I wish you also a happy new year for 2013. Good health for you, my dear friend, and many beautiful contacts in a DX. Okay, so quickly information of myself. I'm 36 years old, and I make radio on 11 meters since 1994. It's a little information of myself, Chris. Back to you for the final with me, 21 November Sierra 59, Mr. Chris. There is 14 Echo Delta 55, Mike from the north part of France. All the best. 7 freeze for you and your family, Chris, over.
Okay, 14 Echo Delta 055. I have your call sign correctly. I think so. 14 Echo Delta 055. The operator name is Mike on your side. Okay, a little bit about myself. I am 58 years old. My hobbies is skipping on the 11 meter span and building motorcycle. I have a very old motorcycle, Harley Davidson from 1962. Okay, this is a little bit of myself. Okay, 73 and 51. I hope I hear you another day on the frequency. Have a nice day, Mike. Bye.
Yes, Chris, just a moment, please, about motorcycle. You have also motorcycle, is that correct?
Yes, I have an old motorcycle from Harley Davidson, 1962. The Harley Davidson from 1962. I buy this motorcycle 1981, and I have same motorcycle today. Over.
Yes, okay, Chris. It's very nice. I like also this. My second hobby is also motorcycle, and I am on a motor club. So I give you what is the name of the motor club, because I have also another website. So you write Iguan Club. I spell it India Golf, Golf, Uniform, Uniform, Alpha, Alpha, November, November, Echo, Echo, Charlie, Charlie, Lima, Lima, Uniform, Uniform, Bravo, Bravo. It's a motorcycle club near my city. I repeat, Iguan Club. I spell it again, India, Golf, Uniform, Alpha, November, Echo, Charlie, Lima, Uniform, Bravo. And on my side I have Harley Davidson Motors, but my motto is Buell. I spell it Bravo, Bravo, Uniform, Uniform, Echo, Echo, Lima, 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 Lima. Okay, it's brought with motorcycle motor engine. Okay, motor engine from Harley Davidson, but it's different. It's Buell motorcycle, my dear friend. So it's also my second hobby. So it's very, very nice to know that you like it, my dear friend. All the best again. 7351 for you and your family, Chris. Take care of the road with your motorcycle, sir. And hope to catch you next time. 21 November Sugar 059. There is 14 Echo Delta 55. 73 is good bless.
Okay, Mike. Nice to hear you. Nice to speak with you. I know your motor is a Buell. Buell is I think it's a twin motor. It's a twin motor on your motorcycle. Okay, 14 Echo Delta 055. Have a nice day. 73. Ciao, ciao.
73 is Chris. Thank you very much, and it's correct. It's a V-twin motor. 73 is bye bye.